you like that? Yes, many hidden talents. The Rose Bowl. Yes, here we go. Oregon and Florida State are playing for the Rose Bowl. Oregon is representing the Pac-12, and Florida State's representing the ACC. Their head coaches, just going to tell you their names. There's not a lot of spotlight on them. It's more about the players and the style of play between the two teams. But the head coaches, for Oregon, it's Mark Helfrich, and for Florida State, it's Jimbo Fisher. Talking about what are people saying about this game? This game is going to be a game of speed. Both teams have a very up-tempo. What does up-tempo mean? Up-tempo means very fast. In between plays, there's not a lot of downtime. So everything's moving very quickly, offense and defense. So who's going to win the speed battle? That's really the question of this game. Will Florida State be able to handle Oregon's up-tempo offense? Oregon is known for having an up-tempo offense. But will Oregon be able to handle the physicality and the speed of Florida State's defense? So it's really just a game of speed. And with that speed, we want to talk about players. And like I did in my other video talking about the Sugar Bowl, which if you haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out, talking about Ohio State and Alabama. That's sure to be a great game as well. We talked about the players, and we're going to talk about them here as well. Your quarterbacks for each team, your running backs for each team, and your wide receivers for each team. Okay, starting with your quarterback for Oregon, Marcus Mariota. Now, what's special about Marcus Mariota is he won the Heisman. So if you don't know what the Heisman is, you need to go back and watch some of the other videos that I've done. But he was basically named the best player in college football this year. And so there's a lot of buzz, hype around him and around the program because of that winning. The quarterback for Florida State. There's a different kind of buzz around him as well. Jameis Winston, he's been in and out of the news with different controversies and such. That's a different topic for different conversation, different topic for a different day. But your quarterbacks are Marcus Mariota and Jameis Winston. Your running backs. Now, what's interesting about these running backs is normally when you look at the stat sheet, which is how many yards people have per game and stuff, the leaders in those are your juniors and your sophomores, the upperclassmen. But both of these running backs are freshmen. They're freshmen, but they lead the team in rush yards. I have to check my paper here to make sure I don't lead you astray. Your running back for Oregon is Royce Freeman, and your running back for Florida State is Dalvin Cook. Last but not least, you have your wide receivers, Byron Marshall and Rashad Green. So those are kind of the players that you need to know. And once again, this all just comes down to a game of speed. Who's going to win the speed battle? So that's basically it for this video talking about Florida State and Oregon. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and enjoy these bowl games. Thanks for watching.